Well, it seems spring has sprung, and we're going to be starting on our new deck now. It's going to go here. We have enough lumber to go to the end here and across where that line is. We got to get rid of this post too. It's coming shortly, and yeah, I'm going to move it down to here though, because we're thinking of getting a hot tub and putting it pretty much right here. So that'll be our main deck, right to the edge of the house. Got to clear all this brush out. We ended up piling it here last year when we were cleaning up the property, but I had no idea we were going to do a deck, especially this big. So we're going to do another little building here. It's going to be like a tiki bar on this side. It'll be like lengthways this way, a tiki bar that way, and then since the driveway's right here on the back of it here, I will have storage for wood and a skid of pellets, because that's our, well, there's all the lumber too for our our deck down there, and behind it the building is the old woodshed. I'm going to take that down and reuse some of the lumber to build the tiki bar thing over here, so save a bit of money, take down this little awning thing. But yeah, I gotta go slug all the lumber down from back there. Well, I'm gonna do piece by piece, not all at once, because the ground is too soft to use the little riding mower with the wagon to haul everything. So I guess brute force will do it. So I'm getting a little further ahead. It's kind of a weird setup here. They got these beams holding up the roof that they made a peaked roof over this. It was once a trailer. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they put these things up. So I just lagged the I'm going to put lag bolts in there to hold the ledger board up temporarily. I just use screws, but I'm going to put the lag bolts in there, and the door is going to go right here, but I'll fill this in with something or other, make it work. There's the outer rim joist, lack of a better word. I think that's what it's called, actually. Yeah, I got it leveled off, temporarily braced up. Gonna go across the front, and then, oh yeah, I dug a hole where these little blocks are going. I'm gonna put one every 6 feet, and then one of these posts on it. It's gonna be the railing system as well. Just a bit of a progress update. I got just the basic square going on here to find out, or to make sure everything's level. Then I got to put a support beam down the middle here. Like as I dug out there and there's going to be 2 more uprights, 4x4 posts, and there's going to be 4 going across here, because that's quite the span. It'll just sag in the middle, so I'm gonna throw that across there. I just had to know where the level was going across that way. So yeah, I'm gonna dig some more of these. I use that little wagon to haul those posts from, or sorry, the blocks from way over there. I'm going to get those and dig a bunch of holes, have a couple of cold iced coffees, let's call them that, and I'll be back. Well, we're making a little bit of headway. Added a couple of joists. Oh, I added this center post too. It's gonna be railings. It's supposed to be every 6 feet, but I figure just gonna go 8. Just because I don't care. Probably why. And yeah, this is what it looks like so far. These joists sit on that center thing as a middle support. Adding joist hangers to the end. And down here, I didn't drive those screws all the way in yet because there's going to be another board right there. The rim joist. And go right across. Yeah, I'm going to have to measure for square too. I never checked that yet. Should probably do that before I get too far. Too many things holding it in place make it harder to adjust if I have to. There's Cody over there. There's Cody. Hi, Cody. Good boy. It's a progress update. I got that center support structure installed. Dug down to the solid ground there. Oh yeah, you just waited until I started filming, huh? What's wrong? I got some beams going across there. Joists, whatever you call them. Adding joist hangers. Go around this side. Dug down to the hard ground on each of these things. And another one. It's coming along. I'm gonna get back at it. My supervisor's telling me so. Oops. Well, I was getting a farmer's tan maybe 2 days ago. That kind of changed a little bit. There was a little bit of snow on everything, but we're making more progress. I'm hoping to get some of the boards down today. At least we can say we can walk on our deck. Didn't get a couple down today. I still got to put the hurricane ties and stuff on down here. Tie this to that. Go across all of those. I just wish this post was out of the way so we could keep going that way, but I gotta wait for that. At least we'll get some use out of the deck this year, I think. It's nice to be outside though, still working, but it's freezing here. Well, the sun decided to come out. I put blocking in between all the joists. It gives it a little rigidity, and it gave me something to do. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm putting these lag bolts in now down here, because this thing is carrying all the weight. These beams in the middle. And so I'm also going to put some legs in there. Everywhere, all these posts, I guess I'm going to throw them in there too. I put hurricane ties on all the joists, tying it to the support joist. Well, I got the double rim joist on here, going down that way as well. This is the finished edge here. The deck is going to continue this way, but we got to get rid of this stupid eyesore first. I just didn't want to get in their way. They might have to bring machinery in here or whatever, but yeah, that's done. Now I got to go get the deck boards, and they're way the hell over here. I got to walk them all. Maybe, should I hire somebody? No, that whole white thing down there is all the deck boards. Well, it's a milestone. I'm actually able to stand on the deck here. I don't know, we're overlooking the construction site over there. It kind of sucks, but like where we had the septic tank replaced. But we got some grass seed. Hopefully that works.